Hi there, Shingirai here again with another update on portfolio performance over the past week. On a one-week basis, 9 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios have outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from minus 9 basis points for portfolio number 1 up to 1.19% return for portfolio number 5. It was a tough week for gold miners and gold, as we would see respectively down in terms of detractors. 91 Global Gold 4.49% and the iShares Physical Gold 2.12%, in a week where a lot of central bankers were speaking and there were expectations that there may be some tapering to the easy or accommodative monetary fiscal policy, which would support the argument for inflation and therefore gold price being supported as a traditional hedge against inflation. We also saw some weakness from Japan, with the FTSE Japan index down 2.19% as the country struggles to contain the COVID-19 outbreak versus the rate of vaccinations versus other developed economies. Switching over to contributors to performance, equity India was up 3.02%, rebounding despite some of the news that we're hearing of record number of cases of COVID in India. US smaller companies and emerging markets also performed quite well, both being up north of 2.25%, and that will just speak again to the risk-on sentiment we saw during the week. On a year-to-date basis, 9 out of 10 of the CBAM portfolios outperformed their respective benchmarks, with returns ranging from 0.33% in the negative for CBAM 1 up to 8.05% in the positive for CBAM portfolio number 5. As expected, you'll see some weakness again from gold miners and physical gold, both being down more than 8.68% on a year-to-date basis. Spider UK Gilts, another usual suspect, we have seen some weakness there, where we would expect, in the ultra-low interest rate environment, investors would not be necessarily favoring UK gilts when they can achieve a return equity or return premium from equity and higher risk corporate credit. In terms of contributors to performance, we do see some strong performance across the US markets, all the way down to the S&P 500 delivering 12.38%, and the mid-cap position with the S&P 400 delivering 17.63%. In general, on a year-to-date basis, US, European and UK equity have delivered around 10% in the positive as part of our top 10 performers, but we also seen some resilience from equity Indian subcontinent delivering 7.74% on a year-to-date basis.